Hello everyone. So this is the power supply that we're using to run the President Mckinley CB radio. It's a 240 watt power supply and it's currently set at 12 volts output, which gives a maximum of 20 amps delivery. Now we'd like to increase that 12 volts to around 13 volts or maybe a little more. We'll see how we go. And to do that, we'll need to make an adjustment. So let's have a look and see if that's possible with this power supply. Right, let's see what voltage we're getting out of this PSU in its design state. Yeah, 12 volts, 12.05 volts. Right, let's see what we can do. We're looking for about 13 volts if we can get it. See what happens. Oh yes. Oh yes. How high will it go? Let's just... Oh, that's plenty. We don't need it up that high. Okay. So we're going to take it to about 13 volts, 13.5 volts. In fact, I'm going to make it 13.2. It's very... It's going to take a lot to move it. Okay. 13.2, 13.27. I think we'll go with that. Okay, so we got that to 13.2 volts, which is more closely resembles what you'd find in a motor car. Clearly it's a mobile transceiver. I think what you got to remember though, guys, is it was rated at 20 amps. It will not give 20 amps now anyway. Not that we're running it at 20 amps anyway. We're running it at a fraction of that. But in reality, taking it to 13.2 volts from 12 will only deliver now around 18 amps. But I think we're only pulling about 5 out of it anyway, so that's not a big problem for us. So let's get the radio on and see what happens. To avoid any accidental adjustment of the potentiometer, we are going to drop a little bit of candle wax on it. It didn't have any kind of seal on it before, apart from that line of white, whatever that was. Okay, so we'll go ahead and drop some of that on now. (13.2), 13.3 almost. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Anybody local, give me a quick radio check, please. Anybody local, give me a quick radio check, please.
Is that you, John?
It is, buddy, yeah. Who's that?
Yeah, it's Chris, mate. Dead on the 30 plus, mate, Radio 5.
Cheers, Chris. Thanks for that, mate. Yeah, I've just trimmed the power supply. I just want to make sure there's no issues coming through with the radio.
Absolutely, I think it's all crystal clear, bud.
Cheers, Chris. Thanks for that, buddy. I'm gonna shoot now anyway. Thanks for that, bud. Have a good afternoon.